Hi friends, and welcome back to the Odash YouTube channel. In today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial, I will teach you how you can fix the contrast of any image, and especially for the low contrast images within no time in Adobe Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, I have this image opened in Adobe Photoshop, and the first thing you need to do is press Ctrl L all together, which will open up the levels command in Adobe Photoshop. And from there, you just need to select the first eyedropper icon, which is on the very left side in the levels dialog box. Click it and it will get selected. Actually, if you hover over on the first eyedropper, and that will show a tooltip, which means sample in image to set black point. So after clicking this eyedropper tool, you need to select the black point within your image. So we don't need to select the pure black point in your image, as that area will be considered as pure black and you will lose any detail within that area or all those areas which you are gonna set to black. So I will choose an area which is almost black, like here, and here you go. If you want, you can also select the eyedropper on the right side, which is for sampling the white color, and click anywhere which is close to white. Shouldn't be pure white, but close to white. In this case, I will just click the backdrop and hit OK. If I press Ctrl Z now to undo our level adjustment, here was the before, and if I press Ctrl Shift Z for redo, here's the after. Let me just press Ctrl 0 to zoom in to fit. Here's the before, here's the after. So I hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure you subscribe to Odash.